And for more on this, we are joined by Tanvi Taneja from Jind, Haryana. Well, Tanvi, good morning. Prime Minister Modi to flag off India's first hydrogen train today in a short while from now. Tell us what impact is it expected to have on the country's green mobility and, of course, the railway modernization efforts?
Yes, a huge step. In fact, India is going to usher in a new era of clean mobility with this hydrogen-powered train, the first in the country, rolled out today from Jind by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, it sets an example for the country to follow. 173 years ago, the first steam locomotive train ran in our country in Mumbai, and hence we saw the trains infrastructure transferring diesel to electric, and now hydrogen-powered trains. The formula is simple. Hydrogen, when combined with the atmospheric oxygen, it breaks down into the proton membrane fuel cells, where the electron combines and becomes water vapor, emits water vapor and heat as residue, and the proton membrane fuel cells then generate the power to power this train. I'm in one of the passenger coaches. It has 8 passenger coaches, this train. There are students excited. Right now, I have students from Jind in this public school, very excited to be part of this journey. Guys, how are you feeling? How great has it been? The train is going to go in a few hours from now.
It's too excited. And I'm proud of my teachers, my parents, that I'm becoming a part of this journey. Because hydrogen train is becoming a great initiative for India, because it takes atmospheric oxygen and renewable energy, and it's also helpful in reducing pollution. And I'm trying to Prime Minister for things like green gas, countries, city and chance, but this chance is so bright, and I'm very thankful to Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Yes, so you heard Lipakshi, the youth here understands the initiative, zero emission powered hydrogen train being rolled out today on Jind, and everybody, the Jind people, the youth here, very excited that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to provide an impetus to Haryana as the engine. For the other is to also follow hydrogen-powered trains on shorter routes in the times to come. Yes.
Right, Tanvi, it's very important that the youth understands about green mobility. In fact, apart from the hydrogen train, there's a lot of infra push also from the side of the government, which is going to happen today. How will the expressways, highways and healthcare projects to be announced during the Prime Minister's visit help improve the connectivity and quality of life for the people of Haryana there?
Yes, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as we know, after Jind is expected to go to Jalandhar and Chandigarh, a host of development projects, road and connectivity projects, healthcare, tertiary healthcare projects. If I talk of Jind, in southern Haryana, he's going to launch a few projects. There are the Katra, Ambala highway, other highways also, which are going to reduce travel time on the Delhi-Amritsar Katra highway. It's going to reduce travel time significantly. Apart from that, there is a museum that he's going to virtually inaugurate, which is on the Sikh religion, archiving that. So, a host of development projects. The centerpiece here, of course, is the hydrogen powered train, in which I am in one of the coaches. Again, as I told you, this hydrogen, I was earlier speaking to Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. He said that it's not just the trains that hydrogen is going to be used in the times to come. It will be used in other mobility aspects of our country also. Trucks, automobile vehicles. So the excitement there is just going higher from here, Lipakshi. And we're just hours away now. In fact, minutes of Prime Minister's arrival.
Absolutely. A lot of excitement there. Thank you so much, Tanvi, for all that update.